We are witnessing a new form of technology in our lifestyle daily. In the crypto and blockchain industry, the innovations are huge. Daily, a new thing comes in the market. Today, we'll look into something called Hyperverse and its ecosystem. So, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Vegas, where we make sure you'll get the best crypto knowledge on YouTube explained with beautiful animation. So, starting from the very basics, what is Hyperverse? Hyperverse is the new ecosystem that claims to create a decentralized financial infrastructure for digital currency users. The project is the metaverse effort based on time travel. Investors of the project from worldwide can create things, sell, and explore the cosmos within its metaverse. However, the project was launched as Hyperfund, and it was renamed Hyperverse. This is an ecosystem that offers multiple services, and they refer to it as Hyper Ecosystem. This ecosystem also houses an online crowdfunding marketplace where investors can make their investments into the startups, IPOs, and other growing businesses. Even the business owners can pitch their businesses in front of hundreds and thousands of investors at once. That is really amazing, right? Not need to visit different cities and countries to present the business to get the investments. And just to let you know that it was earlier called Hyperfunds and was launched by the HyperTech group, but for some obvious reasons, it was rebranded to Hyperverse. More on these obvious reasons in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned and turn on the notifications so you never miss the update for the next video. So, basically, this HyperTech group was a powerful multi-billionaire group, which is known to be the largest and the most powerful group in the crypto world. And they have built their unraveling status on the basis of 4 pillars. Let's dig a little deep into the skin of the game now. Talking about the first pillar, it is Blockchain Global. These big fellas have delivered more than 80 blockchain projects into the market, and almost all of them are doing really well. Apart from that, they have invested a handsome amount of more than $300 million in at least more than 500 Fortune companies. Blockchain Global has expanded itself to more than 22 countries now, and they are literally ruling the crypto world. Talking about the second pillar of the enormous building of Hyperverse, it is the Colin Star. Colin Star is another multi-billion company that has invested multiple companies in the crypto world across the continents, another major backer of the Hyperverse and the HyperTech group. Third pillar is the Hcash, which is a novel asset-backed token, and it has also been receiving fundings from the government itself. And the fourth and final pillar is the BW.com. Just to let you know, it is one of the top companies in the world for mining Bitcoin. BW.com alone has mined assets of more than $15 billion at the point of making this video. Now, that you know about the pillars of this structure, let me just introduce you all to the founder of HyperTech Group as well. But before that, consider subscribing to our channel for more such informative crypto videos in the future, and ring the bell to get a knock every time we upload a new one. So, let's resume our video. The founder of HyperTech Group. He is the one and only Ryan Xu, who is one of the top Bitcoin miners of the world, with assets valuing billions of dollars. Some people in the crypto world also refer to him as the king of the crypto industry. And this guy deserves this title, because apart from the HyperTech Group, he is also the founder of Colin Star, which is one of the most important pillars of Hyperverse. Also, it is important to mention that he has also been angel investors for Binance and ZB.com. And it does not end here. Blockchain Hub, which is the world's first blockchain knowledge, is also created by the man himself. Not only that, he has also been investing in various companies. Along with Ryan Zhu, we also need to mention about the chairperson of this group, that is Sam Lee. He is also quite famous in the crypto and blockchain industry, and has healthy amount of stakes in big companies like Microsoft, Bloomberg, CNN, and Amazon Web Services. So, this HyperTech group in its entirety has already invested in various projects, and this latest project, called as the Hyperverse project, is the next big leap for the company. They want it to be the 5th pillar of the organization and provide more strength to the HyperTech structure. And they want to do this by making a community of more than 30 million users across the globe. Alright guys, I can hear you. Enough of the talks about the company. Let's get to the juicy part, the business plans and packages of the Hyperverse project. Simply speaking, it is based on the membership model, and there are a variety of packages from where you can choose based on the amount of money you are willing to spend. And the more you spend, the better the returns you are promised by the company. So, the cheapest package to get a ticket into the Hyperverse is of $300. This is the basic package they are offering. If you want to invest more than this, you are free to choose that. $500, $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000. It all depends upon you. But at least you need to invest $300 to join to this project. So, what do you get in return? The HyperTech Group claims that they can provide 0.5 to 1% daily returns from the same day of investment until and unless it becomes 3 or 4 times the invested amount, thus making it an amazing option for generating passive income. Just imagine you have invested $1,000, and considering the lowest return rate that is 0.5% per day, we get $150 every month, and in just 20 months you will be walking around with $3,000 in your pocket without doing any job or nasty work. Isn't it mind-boggling? The awesomeness does not end here. These guys also provide a feature of rebuy. Suppose you invested $300, and then you reinvest the returns that you have earned, you will be walking back with a whopping $11,400 in just 24 months without doing any job, all thanks to the power of compounding. Well, you ain't still be wanting for more, and why not? For all of you guys, Hyperverse also has a referral program for its users that will take you closer to your financial freedom at a faster pace. And in this referral program, users are rewarded in 3 ways. The first one is the community reward, which is followed by the VIP reward, and then comes the global reward. Let's have a look at these rewards as well and understand how significant they are in this project. In the community rewards, you need to have at least 20 people joined by your referral. This will unlock 20 levels for you, and based on that, you will receive your rewards. So for example, if you are on level 1 and you refer the project to your friend, then you will get a reward of 20% of your friend's passive income. Similarly, on level 2 it is 15%, and on level 3 it is 10%, and by the time you reach level 20, it becomes 1%. Now, let's put some light on the VIP reward system. So, in this system also different levels are present, namely Expert, Pro, 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star. Simply speaking, if through this project you are able to get a business of $50,000, then you will enter the Expert category, and this give you an additional 0.5% return that you were already getting. If you are able to make $100,000, then you are upgraded from Expert to Pro level. And this level will give an additional return of 1% over what you were already getting. Then if you are able to further make it to $500,000, then you will be promoted to 1-star, and the rewards will be additional 6% over what you were already getting. Following this pattern, if you are able to do a business of $5 million, then you will reach the 5-star level, and you will be rewarded with a whopping 15% additional returns over what you have been already earning. The cherry on the top is that if you qualify for the VIP bonus, then you will automatically be getting the global rewards, and that is 4% of the sales that company is making. So in this way, as the level keeps on rising, the rewards will also pile up and keep on increasing. So that's how the Hyperverse model works, and these are the amazing plans that the world is crazy about. So wrapping this up, do take note that this is not financial advice. So do your own research before engaging in any kind of financial activity and play at your own risk. Thank you for watching. Peace.